6 reasons why you need to get your hands on this Holesaw kit. Number 1. This kit has got everything electricians need. It's packed with 7 bimetal hole saws that range from 20 to 70 millimeters to handle all your electrical cutting tasks. Number 2. Thanks to the M42 bimetal cutting edge, these hole saws are incredibly durable and resilient. They are designed to withstand tough conditions and remain sharp even in high heat situations. Number 3. Bristol's clever tooth design with 4/6 variable tooth geometry means you'll cut smoothly and quickly without annoying clogs or rough edges. Number 4. Whether you're dealing with metal, wood or plastic, this kit is versatile enough to cut through all these materials effortlessly. Number 5. Swapping out hole saws has never been easier, thanks to the small and large quick release arbors and the handy adapter included in this kit. And lastly, number 6. The kit comes neatly packed in a sturdy hard carry case. This not only keeps everything organised but also provides excellent protection for your tools. Like, comment and follow for more.